Hello, teacher.
Hello Fatima, how was your day? Gününüz necə keçir?
I woke up 9 a.m. and I had a breakfast and I prepared my some meetings. And I left my house and I met the Farid.
Okay.
Farid is a very handsome boy, is very rich boy. Atası yaxşı yerdə işləyir.
Yaxşı yerdə iş. His dad works somewhere nice.
Yeah. His dad works somewhere nice, and suddenly he got a new message, and I look message. The girl's name is Sabina. I don't know Sabina. I don't know. He məni fırladırmış.
Seni fırladır. O seni fırladırdı. He played you.
Yeah, he played me. And mən onu attım onu.
Sen onu attın. You dumped him.
I dumped him.
Why did you dump
He
him?
mənə xəyanət eləyir.
Xəyanət eləmək. İngiliscəsi belə olur. Bəs ingilis dilində xəyanət eləmək necə deyilir bilirsiniz?